Hey everyone, Joanna here. Welcome back to the CrossFit program. Welcome to workout 21-15-9. We have only 2 exercises today. Deadlifts, we're using kettlebell and burpees. And we're doing only 3 rounds. In the first round, we're doing 21 reps of each exercise. Round number 2 is 15. Round number 3 is 9 reps of each one. 4 times. So you have to be quick, okay? It's a time workout. Best time wins. Great. First, just a little warm up. So, shake your legs. Relax your neck, let go any tension. Okay, give me some jogging plays. Let's warm up the body. Okay, give me some arm circles back and forward. Brilliant. And hip circles. And reverse. Okay, few good mornings to prepare the hamstrings for the deadlifts. So press your hips back. Squeeze, press hips back and squeeze. Okay, brilliant. Let me show you the exercises before we start the workout. So the first one is deadlifts. I'm using a kettlebell. You can use 2 heavy dumbbells if you don't have a kettlebell. So feet hip width distance apart, pressing hips back, keeping the back straight, micro bend in the knees, up and squeeze your booty. This is the kettlebell deadlifts and the burpees. So we squat down, placing hands in front of us, jump back, jump forward, and jump up. Okay, let me just turn my watch the other way. Okay, are you ready for a killing short workout with lots of burpees? Okay, I think we are more than ready to start. Grab your kettlebell. We are starting in 3, 2, 1, go! Deadlifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, ready for burpees? 21, here we go. Keep going. 21. From the top. This time, 15 reps. There we go. Last one. 15. You know what's coming. 15 burpees. And 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One more set. 9 reps. Ready? Eight, 9. Give me everything you've got. 9 burpees and we're done for the day. Ready? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 minutes, 15 seconds. Okay, shake your legs and walk around. Okay, inhale, exhale, shoulder stretch, switch, quads, try to relax your breathing. Switch side. Okay, so this was 21-15-9 workout. Thank you so much for joining me. And now, yes, you are done for the day. Trust me, this workout is enough. Go enjoy your day, do your daily steps, Can't wait to see you next time.